Headstone Mark Thomas. In the cabin there's Dean, Susan, Diego, Claudia, Jake. Flight time to Geneva around an hour and 10 to an hour and 15 minutes. Weather conditions in Geneva, a little bit more cloudy than here. Possibly some chance of showers and rain. Temperature of around 11 to 12 degrees with a westerly breeze. We'll be on the way shortly. Apologies for the late run of the flight. We had a slight technical issue we had to resolve on our previous flight into Geneva. I have to say it's all been resolved, but it's obviously not well ready to schedule. We are just about ready. We'll be starting around just under 5 minutes. Now once we close the doors, Dean and the team are going to give you a short report on safety brief, so please pay attention to that. I'm going to fly us to Geneva this afternoon, so once the cruise a bit later on, I'll come back to you with an update. Welcome on board.
Elle doit être attachée lorsque le signal « Attachez vos ceintures » est activé, et nous vous recommandons de la maintenir attachée lorsque vous êtes assis. En cas de dépressurisation, des masques tomberont au-dessus de vos sièges. Tirez un masque vers vous pour activer le flux d'oxygène. Placez le masque sur votre nez et votre bouche et restez pendant. Remplissez le masque en tirant la sangle de chaque côté. Installez d'abord votre masque avant d'assister d'autres passagers. En cas d'atterrissage, prenez le gilet de sauvetage sous votre siège. Retirez-le de sa pochette et enfilez-le par la tête. Passez les sangles autour de votre taille, cliquez-les ensemble et tirez pour les ajuster. Ne gonflez pas votre gilet à bord de l'appareil. Une fois hors de l'avion, gonflez le gilet en tirant sur la poignée. S'il ne se gonfle pas ou n'est pas assez gonflé, soufflez dans le vide d'un sifflet. Une lampe de signalisation et un sifflet sont utiles à attirer l'attention. L'équipage vous fournira des gilets pour les enfants. Votre tablette doit maintenant être relevée. Vos accoudoirs rabattus, votre cache-bibelot relevé et votre ceinture attachée. Vous trouverez de plus amples informations concernant votre sécurité dans notre magazine de bord. Nous vous souhaitons un agréable vol.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome aboard your Easyjet flight EZY6395 to Geneva with a flight time of 1 hour and 10 minutes. My name is Dean. It's my pleasure to be your cabin manager on board this afternoon. Working alongside me, I do have a fantastic team. Supporting me here at the front is Jake. Looking after in the centre of the cabin will be Claudia. And looking after the back is Diego and Susie. We're here primarily for your safety, but also your comfort. So if there's anything you do need, then please just ask. I'd like to extend a special welcome to Easyjet Plus card holders. If you'd like to benefit from an Easyjet Plus card holder, then please don't hesitate to ask a member of cabin crew to send the benefits. Or alternatively, take a look inside the in-flight retail.
There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open and seatbelt fastened. Further information regarding your safety on board can be found in the in-flight magazine. We hope you have a great flight.
Resuming seated, your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain switches off the ATC Callsign. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt also fastened throughout the flight in case of any turbulence. On this aircraft, the toilets are
Toujours garder votre ceinture attachée lorsque vous êtes assis. Les toilettes se trouvent à l'avant et à l'arrière de la cabine. Nous vous rappelons que fumer est interdit à bord de l'avion, y compris les cigarettes électroniques. Soyez prudents lorsque vous ouvrez les coffres à bagages, car quelque chose pourrait tomber. Nous allons bientôt commencer notre service à bord. Choisissez parmi une large sélection de produits.
Started now an initial slow descent down towards Geneva, expecting to touch down there around 5 to 3 local time, so 30 minutes to go. We have sped up slightly and tried to schmooze the controllers to secure a few shortcuts and probably pull back some minutes from the delay to the service. Otherwise, conditions in Geneva at the moment are not quite as windy as back in Bournemouth, as here. Slightly cloudy, around 4,000 feet. Temperature of 10 degrees and breeze from the west. Hope you're comfortable in the cabin and enjoying the flight with us today. Once again, thanks for your understanding. Not any care delay and for choosing to fly with us. Have a great afternoon and a safe onward journey.
Votre ceinture de sécurité doit être attachée en préparation pour l'atterrissage. Veuillez consulter la carte des consignes de sécurité placée dans la pochette devant vous. Elle contient
gentlemen, welcome to Geneva. The time now is just gone 5 to 3. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop at the terminal building and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us this afternoon, please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pockets, surrounding floor areas and in the overhead lockers. But do take care when opening the lockers, the contents may have moved during the flight and could fall out. Just a reminder that all devices for calls, mesh and internet can now be used. However, when disembarking the aircraft, they must be out of use until well inside the terminal building. Laptops remain safely stowed until disembarkation. For the smokers amongst you, done very well. We need to hang on a little bit longer as smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. On behalf of Easyjet, the captain, first officer and the entire onboard Luton team, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. I'd like to wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey, but above all, we do hope to see you back on Easyjet service in the very near future. Ladies and gentlemen, shortly the cabin crew will be released to commence safety related duties. Please ask you do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the signs above you have been switched off. We sincerely like to apologise for the late arrival of this service. We do hope it's not caused you too much inconvenience. We'd like to thank you for your patience and your understanding today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying Easyjet and welcome to Geneva.
L'équipage cabine ira bientôt effectuer des tâches de sécurité. Veuillez rester jusqu'à l'extinction du signal lumineux, attachez vos ceintures. Assurez-vous de prendre tous vos effets personnels avec vous. Prenons soin de regarder dans la pochette et sous le siège devant vous. Dans les coffres à bagages. Soyez prudent lorsque vous ouvrez ces compartiments, car quelque chose pourrait en tomber. Si vous êtes en possession d'objets pouvant être recyclés, placez-les sur les sièges à l'avant et à l'arrière de l'appareil avant de descendre de l'avion. Fumer est interdit jusqu'à ce que vous atteigniez une zone fumeur. Vous pouvez désormais utiliser vos appareils